Hi everyone, welcome back to my to day 9 of my English speaking practice series. Today I am going to talk about one of my favorite topics, food. I will share what I love to eat and how I describe it in English. I really enjoy talking about food because it connects with our daily life. Everyone has a favorite dish, something that makes them happy. For me, I love simple, healthy, and vegetarian food. Vegetarian food. My favorite food is rice with mixed vegetables and paneer curry. I love it because it's light, tasty, and gives me energy for the whole day. Some things I also like to eat khichdi or homemade noodles, especially on weekends. I prefer cooked meals because they are healthy and made with love. When I eat, I always say to myself in English, this food tasty, delicious. It smell so good. This is my favorite dish. This is my favorite dish. Practicing English while eating helps me remember new words easily. In the morning, I usually eat a light breakfast like fruits or toast, or for lunch I eat rice and vegetables. At night I prefer something simple and easy to digest. I also drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay healthy. Food is not just about eating. It also about sharing and learning. When we talk about food in English, we learn many useful activities like spicy, tasty, fresh, sweet, and delicious. You can use these words in daily conversation easily. So friends, practice talking about your favorite food in English. Don't worry about grammatical. Just describe what you like and why you like it. This is day 9 of my English speaking practice, and every day we are improving together. Keep speaking, keep learning, and I will see you in day 10, and supporting me, and subscribe the channel and like this video, and comment this what I made, which points I made mistakes. I make mistakes, and which how can improve my English, and how can improve my these grammatical mistakes, and how can better my pronunciation. Thank you, and see you tomorrow, day 10. Thank you.